What is going on, guys? Sebastian here today with another video. So basically what we're going to discuss is how I'm able to profit around $200, and it took me probably 30 minutes to complete this transaction. So let's get into it. As you guys know, I am an iPhone buyer and an iPhone reseller. I actually have two iPhones that I use personally. Well, one's for business and one's for personal use. And I buy iPhones and computers and stuff like that almost every single day. Some days I don't because I'm either out of town or I'm busy doing other stuff and working on other projects. But with this iPhone reselling business model, yesterday I was actually able to buy an iPhone 7. It was cracked and it's 128 gigabyte. Carrier is Verizon. I was actually able to pick it up for literally $100, and just because it was cracked, I got it for such a cheap price. The phone was paid off completely. I had a very definite strategy for like negotiation and stuff. It wasn't a thing that normally a lot of people are able to do, but I was able to capitalize on my negotiation strategies and tactics to get the person to sell me their phone for literally $100. And I have it right here. It's taken apart because I'm gonna explain to you guys why I'm profiting so much. So here's the iPhone 7. As you guys can see, it has the screen off. I took it off. You guys can see that it's a little cracked. And the LCD actually does not even work. It kind of does, it just showed a ton of lines. So that was sweet to purchase that, and the screen is off for a specific reason. So I bought it at $100. If I sold it as is, I could probably sell it for around $200, that's decent, but I knew I could get more out of it if I actually ended up repairing the screen. So I actually went onto Amazon and ordered a screen, and now it comes in tomorrow. I'll be able to throw the screen on and sell it for around $370, I believe I saw one sold for. So let's go on my calculator and we will do 300, we'll just say 375 minus $37.50 for seller fees, minus 100 because I paid 100 for the phone, and then minus 25 for the screen, and I'm left with $212 profit. And it's probably gonna overall take me around, it took me like 10 minutes to drive and meet here, 10 minutes to drive back. It took me probably a minute to take the screen off, and it will take me another few minutes to put the new screen back on. So we'll just say 30 minutes it took me to make $212.50. And I know I'm gonna sell it for that price because I've sold these phones before for that price, so I'm really confident that I will. And that is how I've made $200 in literally 30 minutes. The strategy is the same and the tactics are the same. It's just consistency kind of that's been helping me grow my income and grow my capital that I'm able to operate with. So that's kind of all that has been taking place. This is definitely not one of those phones that I am going to be getting every single day. I don't profit this much on every single flip. Like today I'm buying an Apple Watch Series 3 for $175, and I'm able to sell it for around $350. And that's gonna be an extra, I believe like $100 profit or so. So that's awesome to do, but not all of my flips I'm gonna be making $200 on them. It's just some of them. I'm patiently waiting for those to come by because the deals do come by, you just have to be patient. So that's really awesome that that I was presented with this opportunity because it was literally such an easy way to make $200. Like I remember having to work 2 full days like for my cousins or something to make $200. Now I just worked 30 minutes and was able to make that. That's like a day's worth of income for most people, and I did it in 30 minutes. Now I could, like hypothetically, if I wanted to, I could go out and do whatever the rest of the day and have made my income just in that one, 30-minute time span, which is awesome. I'm super grateful for the opportunities and stuff that were presented. Another flip, I don't know if I showed you guys, I don't think I've posted a video in a while. I bought an iPad Pro 12.9-inch for, I believe I bought it for $350 and sold it for $510 2 days ago. So it should be, the money should be in my account fairly soon because I sold on Mercari. So that's another cool flip. I mean, didn't make as much profit as I wanted to, but it was cool because I got to work with the iPad, and it was freaking huge to use. It was insane, but I got to use it a little bit and stuff like that. So that was cool. It's all about basically just consistency over a long period of time, and you'll make a lot of money in any industry if you're good in the business model. But that's kind of about it for this video. I mean, other updates with my life and stuff like that. I am selling my BMW M3 this week, I believe. I had a buyer that was coming by today to test drive it, but he's actually still on the coast because he's like, the air is too bad in Fresno. I don't really want to be there yet. So he is coming by into my town later this week to check it out, test drive it. He has been interested. He checked it out one day, but didn't test drive it because he was just like coming by to see the car, and now he's actually coming by to test drive it and potentially buy it. I am going to still be making like $2,000 on the car after everything I've put into it, so that's awesome. I've been able to enjoy the car and stuff like that, and now I'm making $2,000 profit on it, so that is sweet. Other updates, I'll show you guys some cool stuff that's been going on. I have to cover some stuff, but my eBay business has been doing pretty freaking well. I'll show you what I'm at right now for my 60 days. This is a new eBay store. It's not an older one, so I recently launched this, and that's what I'm at right now. So that is what I'm at right now for my eBay business. 41 sold at $1,600. Average sale price is around $40 per sale. I'm doing pretty well. All these, like, that income is completely passive. I have someone running it and shipping everything out for me. So if I make 20 sales, or like if I make 5 sales in a day, I don't have to ship anything out anymore. If I make 1, I never have to ship anything out anymore. It's all kind of automated. That's money that just comes in now. So that is sweet. Super grateful for that as well. I really need to make a video breaking down my income streams and stuff like that, because I feel like that's something that people will get value for. But I've been really busy. I mean, I moved out and now I'm busy working a ton. Not even a ton, just like planning stuff and working on new projects and stuff. I actually am going to be creating a new YouTube channel. This is just to test out and see how it goes. I'm kind of focused more on technology and stuff, just because I've realized like I have access to so much technology. I get so much new technology every single week, and I can capitalize it. So for me, this iPhone 7, I'm gonna make a video on it and how to repair it and post it on my new channel. It's not even gonna show my face or anything. It's just gonna be me repairing a phone, and then maybe I'll just be like repairing multiple phones, just because I think I see value in it for multiple reasons. I mean, one, I'll be able to monetize the channel, so that's sweet, an extra source of income. Don't mind if I do. As well as I'll be able to grow another community of whatever, if they're tech people and stuff like that, because I own so much technology and I constantly buy a ton, so why not film it? But that's about it for this video. Other updates, I am looking at getting a Porsche 911. That's going to be, I'm looking into it. I really don't know if I should get one or if I should not. It's gonna be like, it's not a brand new one at all. I could not afford, well, I don't know. But it's not gonna be a brand new one. I like to buy my cars in full and pay in cash. I don't like to make payments because I don't like payments. Like, I've just understood that. So I'm going to be buying it in cash if I do end up purchasing it. So let me know in the comments below if I should get a Porsche 911. It's a pretty cool car. That'd be kind of crazy to own an M3 and a Porsche 911 at 18 and in full, like completely mine, no bank owns it or anything like that. So let me know if you guys would be interested in that. That'd be pretty cool to do because it's a fast car. But other than that, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video on how I was able to make $200 in the span of 30 minutes. I've learned so many ways to make this money very quickly and maximize my time, and to kind of take time out of the equation. I mean, I don't work time for money. I normally put money to work, and that's how I'm able to make money. So if you guys are interested and would like to learn the strategies on how I'm able to get electronics and stuff like that for a low price, I'll have a link in my description and a coupon code to get 25% off of the actual course. It's a course that basically teaches you exactly how to buy electronics for a low price and resell them consistently on a very consistent basis. And I'm also working on a module that's gonna show you guys how to start the eBay business. So the screenshot I actually just showed you, I'm going to show you guys how you can actually create a business like that, because you guys know I love multiple streams of income. So if you're making an extra $100 to $200 a day with your iPhone reselling business or reselling technology, and then you're also making an extra $50 every single day on your eBay business, that's awesome, because multiple streams of income can allow you to grow and make quite a bit of passive income. So I hope you guys all enjoyed. Again, the link will be in the description for that. But other than that, I'm going to get going. So hope you guys all enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next, one more thing. If you guys haven't subscribed already, click the subscribe button below. It's very simple to do. And then if you guys want to turn on notifications as well, I post, well, I haven't been posting really consistently that much because my friends are all leaving for college. So I've kind of been with them as well a lot. That's kind of what I've been doing as well. But now most of them are actually starting to head out, so videos will start coming every single day. But other than that, hope you guys all enjoyed. And again, if you guys want to subscribe, click the red button below. Peace out and have a good day.